Hi everyone, we're going to take the derivative of each of these pieces of functions for a piecewise defined function at x sub 1 equals 3. So we're going to take the derivative from the right side of 0, which would be this piece here. They're both linear, that makes it easier. And also from the left, which would be the green one. And we're going to use the difference quotient, so I went ahead and took the liberty of graphing both of these. Alright. It is continuous, but it has a sharp turn here. It turns very sharply here, so the derivative probably doesn't exist. So we're going to go ahead and do this and start with the first one. We're going to take the derivative from the right side and evaluate at 3. So limit as delta x approaches 0 from the right, and use our formula. So it's going to be 8 minus, and we're going to plug in 3. So it's going to be 3 plus delta x minus f of 3. So f of 3 is going to be 8 minus 3, which equals 5, over delta x. And we clean this up. I'm going to change colors, so I'll do blue. The limit as the change of x approaches 0 from the right, and we're going to get 8 minus 3 minus delta x minus 5. Don't forget to distribute the negative over delta x. Okay, what happens here is these two cancel out, so we're going to get the limit as delta x approaches 0 from the right of negative delta x over delta x, that equals negative 1. Okay, so let's go on the left side. On the left side is our other equation. So we're going to use the derivative of 3 from the left. It's going to be the limit as delta x approaches 0 from the left. And then you use your formula, 2 times 3, so plugging in 3, plus delta x minus 1 minus f of x. So f of 3 is going to be 2 times 3 minus 1, and that's going to be 5 as well, over delta x. Then we clean this up. And we get 6 plus 2 times delta x. Then we have minus 1. Then we have our minus 5 over delta x. And further simplifying, basically this cancels out because that's negative 6. So we have 2 times delta x over delta x, which equals 2. Therefore, basically, the limit, since the derivative from the right side does not equal the derivative from the left side, because from the right side it was negative 1, from the left side it was 2, that means the limit, the derivative at 3 does not exist. All right, thank you. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.